Hello, here we present a Maya plugin implementation for liquid simulation of surface tension flows called Splash It. This is one of the results generated by our plugin. We see how the surface tension forces reduce the surface area of the liquid. The purpose of the project was to simulate liquid with surface tension effects with the intention of relaxing time step restrictions. An explicit mesh surface is used to track the motion while ensuring volume and mass conservation. This screenshot displays the features of our plugin in Maya. As seen, you can change the surface tension and density of the liquid to achieve different effects like merge, splash, etc. The paper that we use to implement this algorithm is called a multi-scale approach to mesh-based surface tension flows by Tiju et al. Some other papers referenced are detailed in the slide. The main approach to this paper is to calculate sub-grid scale surface tension and merge it with the grid scale surface tension calculations. We first calculate the volume preserving mean curvature flow called the VCF. This is done by first calculating the curvature using the Laplacian of the vertex positions. The Laplacian is calculated using the Laplace-Beltrami operator, which takes into account the neighbors and the area around the vertex. A smooth surface is created from the original using the curvature values. The nearest point to the smooth surface is calculated using a KD tree. The difference between these surfaces is then used to calculate a sine distance. The first and second derivative of the sine distance is then calculated and plugged into the Newmark integration step to evolve the surface. The mass is conserved by considering the current volume and the target volume differences along with the surface area of the liquid. The algorithm was completely implemented in C++. The output was tested in OpenGL before being ported to Maya. A Maya node was then used to create the Maya plugin. The Maya C++ API was used to integrate the plugin with the base code. Every time the user creates a node, an extra thread is created to run the simulation. The result is returned using the original Maya thread. Whenever the user needs to create multiple meshes, multiple threads are created to handle the requests. We use the smoke simulation framework from CS563 as the base code. The LTOPO framework was used to handle mesh collisions and restructuring. The KD3++ library was used to search for the nearest point on the smooth surface. Modifications had to be done to each of these libraries as per our need. Here we present a workflow for launching the tool. The user creates the node and then changes values like name, surface tension, density, and then selects the type of simulation to get the desired output. The user can then create a shader for the mesh structure. Next, we'll show some of our results. This video shows the merging of two droplets. This video shows how the volume decreases when mass conservation is not applied. This shows how meshes can merge together. Thank you.